Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're well. Today we will talk about the project PinLink Gate.io startup sales result and listings scheduled about today. I'm talking about the project PinLink. So let's talk about the PinLink token PIN token subscription and distribution result. Here, see this. Look, listen carefully. The Gate.io startup PinLink pin result is as follows. Pin startup amount is 25k and 381 pin. Total value of orders in USDT. You can see the amounts here. It says 255.516800 USDT the price, and total value of qualified orders in USDT the amount is here 255 238 420 token per share 3.172625 pin. Number of orders 85k 378. Number of qualified orders 73k 515. Percentage of qualified orders 86.11%. Percentage of succeeded purchase 99.89%. Percentage of succeeded purchase 99.89%. Number of participations 85k and 378, and number of qualified participation 73k 515. And talk about distribution ratio 0.0057941941981987488. For the previous announcement, all qualified orders will have an equal chance to obtain the token. The guarantee transparency and fairness. All original records as stored per possible third-party auditing. And talk about spin listing. That number 2 is talk about spin listing. We will commence spin trading at January 5th, and the time is 10 UTC. The withdrawal source will be available afterwards. Deposit pin at, here's the announcements, and deposit pin, the trade pins here's. And okay, let's talk about this. Here's choose on chain, choose the network, then you can deposit. Okay, I was talking about it. So here's you can it's a crypto gateway to trade over 3300 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate.io. And let's talk about you can visit the official website. You can download the app or web now. You can follow and GateX Twitter and get more bonuses. Join this Gate.io Telegram to discuss hot topics, and join our global community to get more updates. We provide 100% proof of results. Sign up to MX and 6k and 666 and rewards exclusively for new users. Get 40% commission from referrals. Guitar team January 5th 2025. And I was talking about it's the PinLink introductions. As there was a PinLink, and now here's your gift. Just click your box and make a good earning. So here's most beneficial for you. Just click your box and keep good earning, or the better chance. Collect your gifts. Okay, and now talk about this present. I was talking about PinLink project, and now not to talk about it was a project information. Now to talk about what is Gate.io startup. Okay, let's go to the startup. Here's I'm talking about what is Gate.io startup? As you can see here. Okay, what is startup? Talk about startup facts here. So what is startup? Gate.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where user can discover potential projects, participate in startup subscription, and receive token airdrops. Startup allocates tokens to reserve-based user based on a share system. Eligible user can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more tokens you receive. Talk about so VIP free airdrop. How can you be eligible to participate in startup? All users participating in startup subscription are required to complete KYC verification and hold a balance of spot asset with no less than 10 USDT. How many shares can a place levels? Talk about it. So VIP privilege. So VIP 0 is just lucky draw. Talk about so VIP 1 is 20 share, VIP 2 is 40 share, VIP 3 is 100 share, VIP 4 is almost 200 share, VIP 5 is 400 share, VIP 6 is 800 share, VIP 7 is 1400 share, VIP 8 is 2000 share, VIP 9 is 4000 share, VIP 10 to 16 8000 share. The higher the VIP level is, the more shares you can claim. You can claim more airdrops by upgrading your VIP level. Here's the links. Talk about how many tokens can I receive. Okay, the token received: shares subscribed, X tokens per shares, distribution ratio, tokens per share, and distribution ratio vary for each project. Please refer to the announcement of project's airdrop result. The more shares you subscribe, the more tokens you will receive. For example, if you subscribed for 5 shares and tokens per share is 1000, while the distribution ratio of startup is 0.001, you can receive 10x by 0.001 is equal to 10 tokens. And so the number 4 is do I need to pay for the startup subscription after there are any trading fee charges? No fund are required when participating in free airdrop subscription. The question is, if you have subscribed, it means I have subscribed, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? All VIP users are granted to receive the airdrop. Will non-VIP user participating in startup subscription will follow the partial winning mechanism and are not granted to receive startup airdrop tokens. Only part of lucky non-VIP user will be randomly selected for each project and evenly distributed the airdrop allocation. Talk about number 6 is the startup participation on a first come first serve basis? No, for VIP user, when the subscription ends, all the allocations will be split based on the number of participating and their ratio of subscription shares. For non-VIP user, the total airdrop amount will vary depending on the project. The number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed. And 2, I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup. For startup airdrop, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution after subscription. And the number 8 question is, how many times can I participate in startup? You can participate in the same startup only chance with each KYC account, but you can participate in other startup projects or startup in progress. Number 9 questions. When will I get startup tokens? The final says that will be announced before trading starts. And number 10 is, if my VIP level is upgraded after subscription, will I receive more airdrop? As a question. Okay, the user will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocations they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of distribution. If the VIP level increases, the subscription shares at the time of subscription will be used for allocation. calculation. The number 11 question is, can I change my subscription shares? So VIP users participating in startup airdrop are defaulted to the maximum subscription shares. The higher the VIP level, the more subscription shares can be acquired, leading to more airdrops tokens. Number 12 question is, how much airdrop can non-VIP user receive when participating in startup? The total airdrop amount for non-VIP user will vary depending on the projects. The number of winners and airdrop amount are not fixed. After non-VIP users participating in subscription, whether they win or not will be announced after the subscription ends. You can check the result in purchase history or in the project subscription page. Number 13 question is, can non-VIP user use startup vouchers to participate in startup? Yes, they can. Non-VIP user who use startup vouchers to join the startup subscription, the subscription will have their voucher benefits priorities. Startup vouchers guarantee 100% corresponding share, but users still need to hold spot asset no less than 10 USDT. Can non-VIP user participating in startup airdrop multiple times? The question. So yes, they can. Non-VIP user can participating in startup airdrop for different projects. Winners can be repeated across the different projects. And so talk about GT holder exclusive airdrop. What is GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription? GT holders exclusive airdrop subscription is an exclusively subscription opportunity provided by Gate.io and startup for Gate tokens holders, allowing them to participate in early stage projects or investments. Now, what are the requirements to participate in GT holders exclusive airdrop subscription? Participating must complete KYC2 verification and hold no less than 10 GT. Hold at least 10 GT to qualify for 100% GT holder exclusive free airdrops. And number 2 is a hold GT with spot asset no less than 10 USDT to participate in the lucky draw of GT holder exclusive free airdrop with a chance to receive free airdrop tokens. Here's also, it's about GT holder exclusive. The number 3 is, can I participate in multiple GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription at the same time? Yes, you can participate in subscriptions for multiple projects at the same time. As the number 4 is there a lockup period for the subscribed GT tokens? Generally, GT tokens contributed by participating have no lockup period. It's impressive. Talk about how many shares can you claim. So for GT holders with at least 10 GT, the allocation of valuable shares varies for different projects and the specific shares are subject to project announcement. Each user can claim up to 3,000 shares per project, and provided they hold at least 10 GT. For GT holders with 10 GT, they can participate in the GT holder exclusive free airdrop lucky draw with no less than 10 USDT spot asset. A portion of lucky user will be randomly selected for each project, and the airdrop quotas will be distributed among them. The total airdrop amount depends on the project, so with no fixed number of winners of winning amounts. Here's others. The number question 6 about GT exclusive airdrop. How many tokens can you receive? Tokens you receive depend on GT holding. The more GT you hold, the more available shares you can claim, and ultimately the more tokens you get. Token received is equal to share subscribes tokens per share. Distribution ratio tokens per shares and distribution ratio vary for each project. Please refer to the announcement of projects drop results. The more shares you claim, the more tokens you receive. Talk about, will my tokens allocation decrease in my GT holding at the time of token distribution is lower than it was at the time of participating? Okay, yes, your current GT holding will be detected when token distribution happens, and if your GT holding at the time of distribution are no less than your actual GT holding at the time of participation, the allocation will be calculated based on your actual GT holding at the time of participation. Otherwise, the allocation will be calculated based on your GT holding at the time of distribution. You still need to hold no less than 10 GT to avoid potential claim failures. If you held at least 70 GT at the time of participation but only had 60 GT, however, if there were 80 GT when the token distribution happens, your allocation will be calculated based on 70 GT. And as if have participated, am I guaranteed to receive token in the end? Hold at least 10 GT to qualify for 100% GT holders exclusive free airdrop, but you still need to hold no less than 10 GT when distribution happens. Hold at least 10 GT with spot asset no less than 10 USD though to participate in a lucky draw of GT holder exclusive free airdrop with the chance to receive free airdrop tokens. And number 9 is, can I use startup watches or startup stars to participate in GT exclusive free airdrop? Yes, no startup voucher and startup shares are only applicable to general airdrop projects and cannot be used for the GT holders exclusive free airdrops. Number 10 is, when will I know the result of my subscription? The final subscription result will be announced before trading begins. You can check the result in my spot account or subscription history. Let's talk about pre-order. So, are there any requirements to participate in startup pre-order? User with a level VIP level 3 and holding no less than 100 GT can participate in startup pre-order. The minimum GT holding are based on the current GT holding at the time of participation in pre-order. The GT holding calculation includes spot balance, selling orders, margin account, investment plans. However, GT borrowed from crypto loan will not be included. And says, how many shares can I pre-order? Different VIP levels and minimum GT holdings corresponding to different available shares as detailed below. Let's talk about VIP 3 levels. 100 GT holdings, minimum holding GT holdings 100 GT and available shares 100. VIP 4 is minimum holding 150 GT and available shares 200. VIP 5 is 250 GT and available shares 400. VIP 6 450 GT and available shares 800. VIP 7 is 650 GT minimum holding and 1400 shares, and VIP 8 800 GT and available shares 2000, and VIP 9 is 1000 GT and available shares 4000, and VIP 10 to 16 1500 GT holdings minimum and available shares 8000. User must meet both the VIP level and minimum GT holding requirements. If only one requirement is met, the corresponding share will be obtained based on the unmet requirements. For example, a VIP 5 user holding 200 GT can pre-order 200 shares. Do I need to pay for the pre-orders? The balance will be deducted based on the price per share and shares you have pre-ordered. Please ensure that your spot asset has sufficient balance. You can check the order result on the project page or in the star's subscription history. And so, once pre-ordered successfully, can I cancel it? During the pre-order period, users are allowed to cancel the pre-order. However, cancellation will be disabled for 24 hours before the end of the pre-order period. If you need to cancel your pre-order, please cancel it within 24 hours before the end on the pre-order page. And if a project has not issued token for over 3 years from the pre-order date, the user can submit a cancellation request on the pre-order page. The pre-order deposit will be refunded to your spot account within 7 working days after verification. If a project has not been issued token for over 5 years from the pre-order date, the full pre-order deposit will be refunded to all participants' spot accounts within 7 working days. In case of project failure, the full pre-order deposit will be refunded to all participation spot accounts within 7 working days. It was all about what is startup. I was talking about what is startup. First was the information about the project. Today I'm talking about the PinLink projects. Today the first information was today project PinLink information. Now I was talking about what is Gate.io startup. Now talk about how to participate in startup. Let's see here how to participate in startup. Let's see here. Here's how to participate in startups. Here's here, and let's talk about startup participation. And here's more. And so I was talking about how to participate in startup projects. Let's see. I was talking about today a press project launched PinLink, and now we will talk about how to participate in startup projects. Now go to the startup page. Open the startup page. Sorry, it was about resources. Yes. Let's go to the startup facts. Yes. Now we will talk about how to participate in startup projects. As startup tutorial, just keep send ads. There's how to swap starters, how to participate in startup. Let's talk about how to participate in startup in full case. Here's the tutorial, and now talk about general startup airdrop. Log into Gate.io account, go to the startup page, hold at least 10 USDT and spot assets, and 0 free claim, GT holder exclusive airdrop. Log into Gate.io account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 GT, and to hold GT and claim free. As here's, let's see this. And after this, click on the projects in the in progress to navigate the subscription projects page. Here's click on the 0 free claims, and now the I have read and agreed subscription agreement, and click claim now to complete the subscription. The participate in the GT holder exclusive airdrop. Select the projects labeled GT holders exclusive and click hold GT and claim claim free. Here, as you can see here, now talk about I have read an agreement. I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click on claim now to complete the subscription. Check the airdrop result in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. Participation guide for app user. Log into your Gate.io account. Click on the startup on the home page to access the startup page. Let's see this. Here's the startup. Now click on the projects in progress to navigate the subscription projects page. Here's, you can see, just for your understanding, see this, like as in the startup page as the projects ongoing. Click on zero free to claim after, and I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click claim now to complete the subscription. Here was this, and now after this, to participate in GT holder exclusive airdrop, select the projects labeled GT holder and click zero free to claim. Yes, I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click on claim now to complete the subscription and claim GT results. Just example, claim now. Click on click now. Check the subscription result and other details by clicking the subscription history on the startup page. And now the next, token launch platform for innovation advanced innovative and advanced projects. As you can see, in progress, and you can see the features. Claim all. You can click on claim all button to participate in all projects you are eligible to participate in it. If there is no project you are eligible to participate in, or no, there is no project in progress, there is no this button the button on the page. So for startup, claim all, click claim all. Auto convert to GT, and feature of auto convert to GT is supported on the startup homepage. When it is enabled, airdrop you receive will be automatically converted to GT based on the last price at the moment of converting. This feature applies to all upcoming projects, and your current holding won't be affected. Open or close process for app users. Startup, click on the startup, click on auto convert to GT. So all users with a minimum of 10 USDT equivalent in spot asset or 10 USDT in 10 GT and completed KYC verification can participate in the subscription. User must meet all subscription requirements to participate in the project subscription. If not, they will not be able to participate in the project's subscription. As you can see here. User must meet all subscription requirements to participate in the start project's subscription. If not, they will not be eligible to participate in the project subscription. The subscription rules for each initial projects of startup are different, and the subscription details and rules are subject to announcement. Mass registration of account or multiple accounts for the same user to obtain startup shares is prohibited. Most of the projects are startup blockchain projects in their easily places. Please be cautious and rational when investing and consider the risk carefully before participating. Yes, this was totally about how to participate in startup projects. Now we will talk about other. Let's listen carefully about it, because I'm just for here, I'm just for understanding. Now also I was talking about the PinLink launch token PinLink project. Now I'll talk about startup referral carnival. Talk about startup referral carnival. Go to the startup referral carnival. Yes, startup referral carnival. Invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time to win more airdrops and first time subscriptions. So plus first time subscription plus 100 stars. And here's you can see first, share the exclusive referral link with your friends to invite them to register or join startup subscription successfully for the first time. Then they will be your valid invitee. Second is earn stars. Stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invitees within 30 days. The more trading volume of your invitee, the more star you can earn. Last third option is the swap stars for shares. Every 10 stars can swap one startup shares. More stars can swap more shares. Now, what is startup star? A startup star is the exclusive reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40k stars to swap shares for a project. You can swap shares for as many projects as you can every day. As how to earn startup stars. New user who complete a minimum 10 USDT in spot trading volume within 3 days after registration on the page can earn 100 startup stars. Exciting user can invite user to register on Gate.io or invite other users to participate in startup for the first time. Both new user and user participating in the startup for the first time will be counted as your valid invitees. The system will daily calculate the trading volume of your valid invitee from the previous day. If the trading volume of the invitees from the previous day is not less than 1000 USDT startup stars, no less than 1000 USDT startup star will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup stars you can earn. Trading volume is equal to spot volume is equal to feature volume is 40%. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page can receive additional 100 startup stars. How to swap stars? How to swap startup stars? Yes, every 10 stars can I swap every 10 stars can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of stars upon subscription to claim extra shares. You can use your startup stars when participating in VIP free airdrops to claim extra free airdrops. And there's a can I see startup stars every day. For invite to earn, startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invitees in a 30-day period. View the announcement for more details. The more invitees reach the volume requirements, the more startup stars you will receive. As can I claim both the VIP's default shares or startup vouchers and the startup star swapping shares? Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup star swapping shares are extra shares. In addition to your VIP default shares of our startup voucher, you can swap startup stars to receive extra shares of VIP free airdrops. Is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid, but the product upgrade or rules change may lead to their invalidation of the startup stars. So please use your starts to go to swap shares, the sooner the better. How many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends? Yes, you can earn 10 startup stars by inviting 1%. You can earn 20 startup starts by inviting 2% and the trading volume 3000 to 6000, and you can earn 60 startup starts by sharing, by inviting six people to inviting six people. You can earn 60 startup stars by trading volume 6000 to 12,000, and the trading volume 12,000 to 25,000, and the startup stars of 120, and the shares you can shares invite 12 person, and so the 25 trading volume 25k to 52k is startup stars. So you will receive 250 by inviting 25 people, and just 52,000 to 101, sorry, 130k trading volume, and you will receive 600 startup stars by inviting 60 people, and you can receive 130k to 325k of volume, trading volume, and you will receive 1500 startup stars by inviting 150 people, and after the 325k to 815k trading volume, you will receive 3000 startup stars by inviting 300 people, and 815k to 1,063k trading volume, you will receive 5000 startup stars by inviting 500 people, and you can receive no less than 1,063k trading volume. You will receive 6000 startup stars by inviting 600 people on Gate.io. And so now talk about startup projects. As startup. So talk about upcoming project AI pump. As you can see, any question you can ask here, dear user. Thanks so much for your supporting. Please keep focus on it, and to make good trade today, you will receive good rewards. And here's your gift. Just claim your box. As I was talking about AI pump, let's see here. Projected for introduction. AI pump is the first platform that allows to create and free launch AI driven agents on Solonas and Hyperliquid. These agents interact autonomously on digital platforms such as their own X, Telegram, chatbots, and Web3 wallets, providing engagement and utility while also having associated tokens for ownership and monetization. AI Pump has launched 6 AI agents with a cumulative TVL exceeding 10 million USDT, with over 330k connected wallets, growing 30% month on month. Let's talk about founder Alex Savvy, previously head of CES call marketing at a leading IDO platform, marketing advisor to five plus Web3 projects in the last 3 years on CIS community growth, overseeing roadmap development, implementation, marketing, management, and community expansion in CIS. Talk about highlight win. A pump brings to booming L agents market to Solana and Hyperliquid, two of the most thriving current Web3 eco. And on Solana, A pump is the first to create proof of consciousness, allowing Canyon to deploy AI agents with customized personality traits. And on Hyperliquid, a pump is the first to create autonomous AI agents traits that are able to use their own predetermined trading strategies or follow leading traders. Token economics, liquidation power, Provian AI pump is used to pair with a new AI agent token in the liquidity pools, ensuring immediate market liquidity upon launch. AI agent creation user must be AI pump used to create or customize AI agents, providing a direct utility for the token within the ECO. Talk about the technical overview. So LPump is the first platform that allows users to create drag and drop L agents. No code required. A drag and drop interface. The platform offers a no code solution where user can design L agents by dragging and dropping iOS opponents onto a canvas components into a canvas. This makes AI agent creation accessible to user with minimal technical expertise. Component library user have access to a library of pre-built components list, L models, interaction mode, tools, data source, customization, visuals, and customized functionality. Talk about token allocation. The sale is 20%, AI agents BD is 10%, long-term growth is 10%, marketing 10%, reserve is 10%, liquidator and exchange is 15%, partners 10%, advisors 5%, and team is 10%. Now talk about other ongoing startup projects. And any question you can ask here, user. Thanks so much for your support. Must watch this and to make good earning with Gateway Exchange, make your earning better. Here's your other gift. Just click your box and gain your earning. Here's other gifts. Just click this and open this to gain your earning. Any other question you can ask here, and how to do. If you don't know to participate in startup projects, you can ask here. And must collect your boxes. The gift is here. Now talk about is ongoing startup projects is Sonic SVM. Let's talk about it. Talk about product introduction. Sonic is the first CVM network extension to launch Solana for games and applications, powering Web3 TikTok app layer, onboarding the next billion user. Built with Sonic Hypergrid framework for orchestrating optimized Solana rollups. And talk about founder, CEOs and founder Chis Zhu. CEO and co-founder Jisoo, VP of product, top Silicon Valley retail startup, and CEO and co-founder Alan, ex-business analyst, rate or top Silicon Valley generative AI startup, and talk about CTO and co-founder Jonathan Magaju Bakweba, actor, software engineer, top Silicon Valley generative AI startup. Talk about is highlight we can talk about Sonic VM, the first Solana chain extension focused on gaming and apps. Testnet activated and addressed exceeded 8.7 million. 94% of users are from North America, with over 2 million addresses activated via TikTok. Or TikTok mini games free used for traffic generation. Most 2.1 million monthly active users. Testnet has achieved over 3 billion transactions and say 8 USDT million worth of source ports to security consumers for Sonic chain and Sonic. So welcome everyone. Chain and Sonic Slayer AVS Hypergrid, a framework for orchestrating optimistic Solana rollups, and so working with Inject to launch and CVM chain extension on Solana for cultivating LA agent ECO. Talking about utility on token on Sonic's SVM with 10% plus major game live, millions of users onboarded through testnet supporting Sonic's and the TikTok player. Sonic Hypergate with Sonic would be the currency powering the multi SVM ECO. Mention injective SVM launch and more to come, which will use the Sonic tokens. Talk about technical overview. So Sonic Hypergate, a framework for orchestrating optimizing Solana rollups called grids. And grid is in CVM, SVM Ocean network, and Sonic SVM is the first grid to launch with the Hypergrid. Grids can be comprised for a single validator node or of multiple validator nodes. And the Hypergrid shared state network. HSSN is a state network responsible for providing state pathways for interoperability between base layer and grids. Talk about total allocations. Early support is 8%, investor is 15%, foundation is 20%, initial claim is 10%, Hypergrid validation is 10%, Hyperfuse nodes are 10%, ECU and community is 30%. And also welcome everyone. Collect your box and key in your earning. Must follow me. Will receive reward. You will be rewarded. Just follow me and claim your drops. Okay, let's talk about other startup projects, ongoing startup projects here. Now I was talking about ongoing startup projects here. Just now talk about as just ongoing as 2 startup projects ongoing. As A pump is just 1 day and 14 hours and 37 minutes left, and Sonic Australia is 1 day and 15 minutes 37 minutes left. So just a difference of a time of 100. Now 1 hour difference here. Any other question? I talk about I was talking about today the PinLink. Here's your PinLink, the launch token today. PinLink projects. A talk about PinLink edition. PinLink bridges the gap between artificial intelligence, a real world asset, and driven by leveraging global compute power. PinLink connects user with a diverse range of tokenized CPUs, miners, cloud storage, enabling efficient, secure, and decentralized access to high performance different real world assets. With PinLink real world asset tokenization model for AI, machine learning, or other intensive computational tasks, PinLinks provides a marketplace where developers and enterprises can find rent and tokeniz. Talk about PinLink founder. So PinLink bridges the gap between artificial intelligence, real-world asset, AL real-world asset, and depend by leveraging global compute power. Information for startups was 25K and 381 pin and 100% unlock rule. A startup supply highlight VN. PinLinks solves problem by creating the first real-world assets tokenized DePin protocol, driving down cost for all AL and developers and creating new revenue streams for DePin assets owners. Exciting depends simply reward owners of DePin assets via a share of the payments made by AL developers to rent the capacity of their assets. By contrasting PinLink as real-world asset tokenized, a model creates a new incentivization structure drawn from the world of non-chain real-world asset trading. I talk about token economics. I'm talking about PinLink launch token today. PinLink, and at the heart of PinLink innovation lies its unique DePin real-world asset tokenization model. The model is designed to reduce the cost incurred by AL developers when procuring physical infrastructure assets such as GPU and CPUs and cloud storage capacity. Create more flexible monetization options for DePin asset owners. Create opportunities for users who don't own DePin asset to learn a passive income stream. Token allocations stacking is 10%, treasury is 10%, LP is 8%. As I was talking about the OpenSea token launch token PinLink project. Now talk about make a little talk about start facts. Here's go to its good information. Yes, let's go to that. Click announcements, then click announcements. Yes, the search about PinLink. Here's the token I was talking about PinLink. Let's make a little more description about PinLink. So PinLink Gate.io startup sale result and listing is scheduled. So Gate.io startup PinLink pin result is as follows. Pin startup amount is 25K and 381 pin. Total value of orders in USDT is as 255,516 800 USDT, and total value of qualified orders and 255 238 420 USDT. Tokens per share is 3.17 26 25 pin, and number of orders and 85K and 378. Number of qualified users 355 515. Percentage of qualified orders 86.11%. Percentage of succeeded purchases 99.89%. Number of participations 85K and 378. Number of qualified participants 573K 515. And the distribution ratio, as you can see, is 0.005794194198748. For the previous announcement, all qualified orders will have equal chances to obtain the token. The guarantee transparency and fairness. All original records are stored for possible third-party auditing. PinLink listing will be commenced pin trading at Jan 5 today. It's launched, I think. Yes, launched the 5th January and the original source will be available afterwards. And past pins, here's announcements and trade pins here. And gateway to crypto, the trade over 3300 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate.io. You can visit the official website, download Gate.io app and the web now. Follow on Gate.io on Gate.io X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join the Telegram to discuss our topics. Join the global community to get more updates. The Gate.io provided 100% proof of results. Sign up to enjoy maximum 6,666 in rewards exclusively for new user. Get 40% commission from referrals. Join the Gate.io and make good earning. Now talk about startup referrals. Here I was talking about any question you can ask here, and also welcome everyone. Any question related to any queen, you can ask here. Must follow me, and you'll be notified when I'm streams. Just follow the focus and K in your earning and Gate.io to make better your earning. What I was talking about, to invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time to win more airdrops. And any question you can ask here. I'm here just for you. Keep focus and make good trades. Now let's talk about this 2 or 3 here's more benefits of our startup referrals. First is invite friends. Share the exclusive referral link with the friends to invite them to register or join startup subscription successfully for the first time. Then they will be your valid invitee. And second is earn stars. Second number is earn stars. Shares stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invitees within 30 days. The more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn. The third is the swap stars for shares. Every 10 stars can swap 1 startup share. More stars can swap more shares. Talk about startups stars. More beneficials about startup referrals. Here just click on the invite now and copy the link. Here's just share the link, or here you can copy the link and share with your friends to join Gate.io exchange and earn good prices and good rewards. Now talk about a little more about the Queen today launch. This project is PinLink. Let's make a little more discussion, and also welcome everyone. Keep focus and make good trades. And today you'll receive good rewards. And talk about PinLink price. Talk about pin prices. Just click the startups and open the pins. Just talk about its price, about my token, the project PinLink. Let's see here. Just click on the trade now and just open this. This is impressive pin. So I think the current price of pin is 2.36, and make a little discussion about PinLink. So let's talk about overview. And PinLink bridges the gap between artificial intelligence and relevant asset, as you know, and to deepen by leveraging global compute power. PinLink connects user with a diverse range of tokenized GPUs, miners, cloud storage, enabling efficient, secure, and decentralized access to high performance different real world asset. With the PinLink's real world asset tokenization model for real machine learning other intensive computations task. PinLink provides a marketplace where developers and enterprises can find, rent, tokenize, and sell the compute power and hash rate they need to power innovations. Stock's ranking number 395. Its market cap is 194.10 million USDT. Circulating supply is 80 million pin, and release date is today. Sorry, is release date was for release date was 24,011 month, and issue price is now, you can see that today's issue price was 0.058, and so about all-time low is today 1.77, all-time high price today was 2.79. now the current price is 2.30. maximum supply is 100 million pin, and fully diluted market cap is 242.60 million. Stock was market capital percentage is 80%. Let's talk about capital flow. Yes, the stock was 1 hour capital flow is 1 hour retail inflow is 52.82%, and 1 hour retail outflow is 47.18%. Let's make a little discussion about this project PinLink. Recently, the most worthy thing to follow up PinLink is the use of global computing power to bridge the gap between artificial intelligence, real-world assets, and DePin. PinLink connects user with the various tokenization, GPUs, miner, and cloud storage to achieve efficient, secure, and decentralized access to high-performance DePin assets. PinLink is generally optimistic, believing that through the tokenization real-world asset model provide an open market for intensive computing tasks such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, where developers and companies can find and rent the resources they need. The most worthy we plan to follow is that PinLink is expected to become an important hub connecting real-world asset and DePin, and its tokenization model helps improve the efficiency of computing resources, providing more flexible and economical solutions for related applications. The basis of this viewpoint is PinLink's strong performance in the real-world asset field, with TVL reaching 600 million US dollars. Any question you can ask here? Electronic analysis. This focus. Let's see a trading view. Just for understanding, now I was talking about today PinLink projects. Let's go to this let's talk about it. Let's click on the startup. The finished tokens today was PinLink. You see here. I'll also talk about PinLink, and any question you can ask here. I'm here just for you. Any question you can ask here related to screen this project, information, and also claim your boxes. Just claim your boxes and make earning. And must claim your boxes, must follow me. You will be notified when I'm on streams. And any other question you can ask here. And so now talk about startup, other ongoing projects. As I was talking about AI Pump. As the AI Pump is the first platform that allows to create and launch AI-driven agents on Solonax and Hyperliquid. These agents interact autonomously on digital platforms such as their own X, Telegram, chatbots, and Web3 wallets, providing engagement and utility while also having associated tokens for ownership and monetization. AI Pump has launched 6 AI agents with cumulative TVL exceeding 10 million, with over 30k connected wallets, growing 30% on month. Let's talk about the founder of AI Pump is the previously head of CIS Coal Marketing at a leading IDO platform, peer marketing advisor to 5+ Web3 projects in the last 3 years on CIS community growth, overseeing roadmap developments, implementation, marketing management, and community expansions in CIS. startup chase and startup supply. You can see here, and the startup supply is I think 5 million, and unlocker is 100% unlock. And talk about this highlight and vision. And the APAM brings to booming AL agent market to Solana and Hyperliquid, two of the most thriving current Web3 ECO on Solana. APAM is the first to create proof of consciousness, allowing anyone to deploy L agents with customizable personality traits. On Hyperliquid, APAM is the first to create autonomous L agent traits that are able to put their own predetermined trading strategies or follow leading traders. Talk about APAM token economics, liquidity provision. APAM is used to pair with new L agents tokens and liquidity pools, ensuring immediate market liquidity upon launch. L agent creation. User must use APAM to create or customize L agents, providing a direct utility for the token within the ECO. Talk about technical overview. APAM is the first platform that allows users to create, drag and drop L agents. No code required, drag and drop interface. The platform offers no code solutions where a user can design L agents by dragging and dropping iOS components onto a canvas. This makes L agent creation accessible to user with minimal technical expertise. Component library. User have access to a library of pre-built components like L models, interactions modules, data sources, customization, visuals, and customized functionality. Talk about sales is 20%, L agents BD is 10%, long-term growth is 10%, marketing is 10%, reserve is 10%, liquidity on exchanges is 15%, partner is 10%, advisors is 5%, team is 10%. And talk about Get.io retired. Let's make a little discussion about this. And you can just let's see this. Talk about the VIP tire. VIP1 is 60k USDT trading volume and scheme GT positions. VIP program 50 GT and schema accounts. Asset value is 2000 USDT and the rating is 0.8089% to 0.089%, and the VIP rate maker taker is 0.099% to 0.099%. Let's talk about I was talking about VIP tires. So let's talk about VIP program. And also I was talking about startup projects. What is startup? And let's play a little tutorial for you understand it. So it's team. You have seen, you have written the article. Now play a little tutorial how to participate in startup projects. Just listen carefully and you will be able to participate in startup projects. Let's play it. And any other question you can ask here. This is just for your understanding. Just keep focus and make good earning. As general startups airdrop, log into Get.io account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 USDT in start asset, 0 free to claim GT, holder exclusive airdrop, log into Get.io account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 GT, hold GT and claim free. And participating guide for web user, log into Get.io account, click on startup on the home page to access the startup page. Let's click on this. Click like this icon, click on startups, open this, click on 0 free to claim in progress and continue claim now, and also hold GT and have read and agreed subscriptions agreement and click on claim now to claim the subscription. Just see this carefully. You will be able to participate in startup projects.
How to claim free airdrops on Gate.
Any other question you can ask here. I'm here just for you.
Log into your Gate.io account. Click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification.
And any other question you can ask here.
And hold no less than 10 US
I'm here just for you.
Click on
Here's your other gift. Just click upon this link and claim the airdrop. Claim this. There's a little gift for you. Just click here and open this and make a good earning.
Click $0 free to claim. Take I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click claim now to complete the subscription.
Just claim your box. Here's your box.
On Gate.io startup.
Just claim your box. This is just for you. Open this and make good earning today. This is just for understanding how to participate in startup projects. Just see carefully and make good earning today.
Early stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the startup page and enter the project.
The tutorial is just for your understanding. Keep focus and continuously watch this, then you will be able how to participate them. Before this, I was for your understanding. I was reading the articles for you, understanding to you how to participate in startup projects. What is parts you have this, and you have see the. Before I was talking about what is startup and so what is the startup projects. More the overall discussion we have listened, and just for understanding, just keep focus and continue watching this, then you'll be able how to participate in startup projects. Any other question you can ask. I'm here just for you, and also welcome everyone, and keep focus, must follow me, then you will be able how to participate in startup projects. Any other question you can ask here. Just focus and make today good earning with MKCon, and must follow me. You will be notified when I'm on streams.
An APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup? First, log into your Gate.io account. Click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets.
Any question you can ask here. The tutorial is just for your understanding.
Click on the projects in
I'm here just for you. Just keep this focus and just open this and just stay focused on this tutorial. You will be able how to participate in startup. Read and see carefully and listen carefully. So I'm talking about startup project subscription. So the tutorial for your understanding, I have played it.
You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens.
Any other question you can ask here. I'm here just for you.
Stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token.
This is just for your understanding. Okay.
GT holders exclusive.
Let's talk about startup projects also. Now here's your another gift. Just claim your box and make good earning today. Here's the gift. Just claim your box and make good earning. Any other question you can ask here. I'm here just for you. Just open this and make good earning. Just follow me. You'll be notified when I'm on streams. And not talk about ongoing startup projects. Let's talk about Sonic. As in the stream I was talking about this, now make a little more talk about the screen and for your understanding. Just listen carefully. Sonic is the first CM network extension to launch on Solana for games and applications, powering Web3 TikTok app layer, onboarding the next billion users. But within Sonic Hypergate, a framework for orchestrating optimistic Solana rollups, and talk about CEO and co-founder Chris Zhu. CEO and co-founder Chris Zhu, VP of Project, top Silicon Valley generative AI startup, and CEO and co-founder Alan, ex-business analyst, lead top Silicon Valley generative AI startups, and CTO and co-founder Jonathan Gaju Wakweba, ex software engineer, top Silicon Valley generative AI startups. I'll talk about this highlight and VN about SVM. Sonic. Sonic has been the first Solana chain extension focused on gaming and apps. Testnet activated addresses exceeded 8.7 million. 94% of users are from North America, with over 2 million addresses activated via TikTok. For TikTok minigames and minigame used for traffic generation posts 2.1 million monthly active users. MAU. Testnet has achieved over 3 billion transactions, 80 million USDT worth of souls supports the security constants for Sonic Chain and Sonic Slayer. AVS Hypergate, a framework for orchestrating optimistic Solana rollups, working with Injective to launch and SVM chain extension and on Solana for cultivating agents ECO. Talk about token economics. So, a utility token on Sonic SVM with 10 major games live, millions of users onboarded through testnet, supporting Sonic and the TikTok app layer. Sonic Hypergate, where Sonic would be currency powering the multi-SVM ECO mentioned, Injective SVM launch, and more to come, which will use the Sonic tokens. Also, welcome everyone. Talk about technical overview. The Sonic Hypergate, a framework for orchestrating optimistic Solana rollups called grids. Grid is an SVM ocean network. Thanks so much for your support. And Sonic is the first grid to launch with Hypergate's grid can be comprised of a single validator. And also welcome everyone. Nodes of multiple validators nodes. Hypergate shared the state network HSSN is a state network responsible for providing state pathways for interoperability between base layer and grids. Talk about token allocation. So early supporters 8% and investors 15%. Foundation 20% initial claims, 7% Hypergate validators, 10% Hyperfuse nodes, 10% ECO, and communities 30%. Let's talk about other projects, the upcoming projects. Also, you can see here the PvP and you can see here PvP is the first gaming infrastructure protocol powered by AL, and the ultimate data layer powering a new layer of AL agents, the ultimate gaming hub connecting games creators and communities with data cutting across Web 2 and Web 3s. This is upcoming projects. I'm not talking about the projects upcoming. Also claim your box and must follow me. You will be notified when I'm on streams. And yes, you're more gifts. And talk about startup care referral, startup referral carnival. Let's see here and let's make a little discussion about this startup referral carnival. Invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time to win more airdrops. Click on invite now, copy the link, share with your friends, join or and subscription startup projects successfully. You will be rewarded. And here's the first summary: is invite friends. Here's the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register or join a startup subscription successfully for the first time. They will be valid, your valid invitee. Talk about unstars. Number 2 is unstars. Stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invitees within 30 days. The more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn. Swap stars for shares. Every 10 stars can swap one startup share. More stars can swap more shares. Talk about startup. What is startup stars? So let's more talk about this. Startup stars is the exclusive reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrops. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40k stars. Swap shares of a project. You can swap shares for as many projects as you can every day. Talk about how to earn stars. Users who complete a minimum of 10 USDT in a spot trading volume within 3 days after the registration and on this page can earn 100 stars, startup stars. And exciting users can invite new users to register on GitHub or invite other users to participate in a startup for the first time. But new user and user participating in startup for the first time will be counted as your valid invitees. The system will daily calculate the trading volume of your valid invitees from the previous day. If the trading volume of invitees from the previous day is not less than 100 USDT, startup stars will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup stars you can earn. Trading volume is equal to spot and future volume 40%. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page can receive an additional 100 startup stars. Talk about how to swap startup stars. Every 10 stars can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can import the number of stars upon subscription to claim extra shares. You can use your startup stars when participating in VIP free airdrops to claim extra free airdrop. Talk about can I see startup stars every day? For invite to earn startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invite in a 30-day period. View the announcement for the details. The more invitees reach the volume requirements, the more startup stars you will receive. Talk about can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the swap starts swapping shares. So yes, you can claim both of them. Startup stars swapping shares are extra shares in addition to your VIP default shares or startup vouchers. You can swap startup stars to receive extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid, but the product upgrade or rule change might lead to the invalidation of startup stars. So please use your starts to swap shares to the sooner the better. And so here's the trading volumes, daily trading volume of USDT, and you can see the number of shares. You can see the number of startup stars. Here's the 1000 to 3000 trading volume. The startup 10 startup stars you will receive, and say training for 1 user, and to invite 2 users, and 20 stars invite 6 user, to turn on 60 stars invite 12 user, to on 120 stars invite 25 users, to on 250 startup stars invite 60 people, on 600 startup stars and invite 150 users, and receive 1500 startup stars invite 300 user, to receive 3000 startup stars invite 500 user, to receive 5000 startup stars invite 600 user, to earn 6000 startup stars. That was all total about referrals, startup referral carnival and startup stars. It was impressive, and also welcome everyone. Any other question you can ask here. I was talking about startup stars and startup referral carnival. Must follow me and also claim your boxes. Boxes waiting for you. Claim your box and gain your earning. Any other question you can ask here. I'm here just for you. Just claim this and gain your earning. All the better chances for you and Kit Exchange. Gain your earning and make your journey better with Kit.io Exchange. Today I was talking about the more project, the large project PinLink. Let's talk about PinLink project. Here's the startup. I think the finished tokens and launched on the Kit.io. Now here's PinLink. I was also talk about this project, startup project PinLink, and you can see here. Let's see this. Let's listen carefully. It's project introduction. PinLink bridges the gap between artificial intelligence, real-world asset, and DePin by leveraging global compute power. PinLink connects user with a diverse range of tokenized GPUs, miners, cloud storage, enabling efficient, secure, and decentralized access to high-performance DePin real-world assets with PinLink's real-world asset tokenization model for AI, machine learning, or the other intensive computation tasks. PinLink provides a marketplace where developers and enterprises can find rent tokens. Talk about the PinLink founders. PinLink bridges the gap between artificial intelligence, AI, and real-world asset and DePin by leveraging global compute power. Crowds is total startup supply was 25,381, and so here's talk about highlight and vision of startup projects PinLink. PinLink solves problems by creating the first real-world asset tokenized DePin protocol, driving down costs for AI developers and creating new revenue streams. Free DePin asset owners. Exciting DePins simply reward owners of DePin assets via share of the payments made by AI developers to rent the capacity of their asset. By contrast, PinLink real-world asset tokenized model create a new incentivization structure run from the world of on-chain real-world asset trading. That's it's also about the project to PinLink. Today I was also talking about the PinLink project, an impressive projects over here. Today we have seen the launched project startup projects, and you have seeds price, and today you have learned how to participate, what is startup, and you have listen and read and watch this stream, and you have learned about what is startup and what is startup project, and what's project you have about ongoing and launch tokens. Today launch tokens was PinLink. I was also talking about PinLink. The most important project was today about discussion about PinLink. Was impressive discussion is today, and you have learned how to participate in startup projects, and also have read the referrals carnivals. You have listened about referral carnivals, and also must follow me. You will be rewarded when I'm on streams, and you will be notified when I'm streams. And any other question you can ask here. I'm here just for you, just for your understanding. Today I was talking about PinLink projects, and any other question you can ask here. I'm here just for you. Just must follow me, and you will be rewarded when I'm on streams. And his most impressive as was today about PinLink. As today I was most talking about PinLink was impressive discussion, and today I have talked about startup reference carnivals, and about what is startup, and about how to participate in startup. Yes, more impressive communicatives about startups. And now, and let's take a little rest. About today about was most about what PinLink, and must follow me. You will be notified when I'm on streams. And dear user, dear viewers, thanks so much for your support. Keep watch about every startup projects, about listen, keep watch about startup referral carnivals, and must remember me in your prayers. And take care. Goodbye.